We're actually running in heat because we've got a solid block of ice for a coil. Normally, even under R22, I ought to be pushing some pretty high pressures at 86 degrees outside temperature. So we will see what we get here. I'm going to switch it back to cooling. Where'd my wire nut go? There we go. That seems a little interesting. We've got 111 suction line temperature. I guess it's coming down a little bit. And 10 subcooling. That's crazy. 10 subcool with a 75 degree superheat. Well, my saturation is coming up some. We've got a 2007 Pain. It says it's supposed to have a TXV inside, but that doesn't make a whole lot of difference if we end up with a piston. I know it's a Goodman, but I don't know exactly what the matchup is. We've got a 2.5 ton condenser, and it looks like saturation is coming, getting ready to break 32 maybe. I'm gonna go see what the evap coil looks like for ice accumulation. Alright, so if anything, I have a feeling that we are probably, I don't know, let's see what a profile does. New system, heat pump, fixed orifice, 13 to 16, and that. Well, for 10 subcool, which we don't have because we got a piston. If I had a 20 subcool, which is what I've got 22, and my high side pressure is 235. Should have about a 92 degree liquid line. And I've got 91. superheat definitely seems a little low, but it is still not zero. Who knows what the ductwork is. When I read the service ticket from the previous tech, he said he had a 20-degree subcool with a 7 superheat. And I wanted to show you something. There you go. Filter. It's pretty dirty. And to me it looks like it was probably in backwards, because we've got a lot of surfaced dust collection on the front, or the back, and over here we've just got a color change, which is fairly typical for pleated filters. They change color rather than collect on the surface for the most part. I've seen worse, but this one's definitely not very healthy.
I'll tell you what, this unit did not get a maintenance from me. Look at all those leads and crap around it.
That's not the kind of work I do anyway. If I'm doing a cleaning on a unit, I'm doing it all the way.